Alright, here's the Datapro 700 touchscreen display. This is just a LaserSpeed 9000. It's our LaserSpeed that measures forward and reverse at 100,000 times per second. But what I want to show you today is our Datapro 700. You can get it in this enclosure, or you can get it just a panel mount that you can cut out your own enclosure. The nice thing about this is that it also has Ethernet IP built right into it, as well as you can change any of the functions if you want to set up any of the different LaserSpeed settings, where by just using the touchscreen you may be able to go to and just change the say the pulses per unit length. Let's see if I can make that show up. There we go. So you can change the pulses per unit length. You can also change all the direction of which way it's measuring. All the functions that you can get into by just the PC software, but you can also do it now by just a display, as well as have the Ethernet IP capabilities. So if I go back to the main screen here, you can see if I move apart throughout the front of the LaserSpeed, it shows up as the length on the top where it says foot and the speed on the bottom. You also see the quality factor down there at the bottom showing up, whether the part's in or out of the laser beam. So I'm just putting a little piece in front of it and getting the measurements. You also have different displays. Like if you want to do a length countdown, you can see you can put in what your starting length is, you accumulate length, and you can trigger outputs. You can also see what the length is and the quality factor at the same time, kind of like you can with the PC software. So you can see the quality factor down there at the bottom, the blue line up there at the top. Now it's not as responsive as the PC software, but it's a great tool for when it's out there on your line. So, there's a few other displays options available on here, but that's the LaserSpeed. What it does is it just plugs in through a serial cable into the display port on the power supply breakout module. You can also use the encoder pulses going to your control device if you'd like to use that as well at the same time. Now, if you do want to connect it to the PC via the serial, you do have to unplug this and just talk to the LaserSpeed LaserTrack software directly. That's all. Thanks.